My name is Yurie Kim with the YK Group, VPR. Today I am introducing you to a community in Suwanee. So I know that my audience loves Suwanee area, and this is a single home. So that's a kind of rare. Price points are pretty good, low 800s, but there are some other homes that's being built within this subdivision that has actually access to Chattahoochee River. And the acreages on that are fairly large, like 1.5, 2 acres. So that's really rare within this location. So if you have any questions, please find me. My information is on top of the screen. Thank you. So as we walk in, this is our dining area. Because this particular home is being utilized as a sales office, we have this area. Originally, its intended use is for dining, but we have a sales office right here. If you walk across, you'll find a half bathroom. And we're walking towards our breakfast area right next to the kitchen. Nice and bright because there's some windows. Pretty good space for your family to be comfortable. And then right across, we have a lovely kitchen. So kitchen for most women are like the price of the house. So if you look at this kitchen, you'll find that it's very wide, really nice island, which could be utilized as like an eating area, because you could actually, the way they made this island, there is an alcove here, so you could put your bar chair, and just have an informal, like a breakfast area, right? Nice marble countertops, good gas range. So it's got the two sides and the one in the middle, which means you could utilize as a grill, right? Vented, outside vented vent, and a fairly large cabinet for all your dishes and kitchen stuff. So even the island, we have some cabinets underneath as well for your organization. Appliances are Whirlpool. As you can see, because there's so much cabinets here, you'll be able to get everything organized, and you will not have too much clutter. If you go to a little alcove here, there is extra spaces for your spices as well as your dry goods. And then this one actually has a basement. So just keep in mind, you have the ability to make your living spaces. Although it's not finished, if you decide to finish it, you're gonna have a lot more square footage. We have the living area. And like I said, today's trend is large and open so that people feel very comfortable when they're inside their home. This particular home has a brick fireplace, which is actually gas, automatic gas that will come up once you turn on. This home is great because there is a lot. So these days, the modern homes, because there's not too much land, I guess it's more cluster, but this particular home has a lot behind it. And then whatever is coming up within this sub-community, you'll find some huge lots that would be backing into Chattahoochee River, which is a very big plus. I wanted to show you the patio. So here we are. The lots this home sits on backs out to nature. You're gonna have lots of pretty trees, a lot of nature, a little creek running. Although for those of you who are not in, I guess, real estate, when we do a comparative market research, first thing that distinguishes one home from another is the lot and the land and the geographic location. Depending on where you are, you'll find anywhere from $50,000 to $250,000 difference to begin with. And then on top of that, there's home value. So keep that in mind. And Suwanee is one of those areas where you will find that home prices and land prices are much higher. I wanted to take you over to where the garage area is. So you have a garage on your left hand and a mud room as soon as you walk in. So then you have a student who have a lot of coats and book bags. They could just plop it here and you won't have a mess in the middle of a living room, right? And then behind that, we have the pantry, walk-in pantry, which is fairly large, and that's a very big plus. Because as you know, when we start living, we collect clutters. So to have that outside will be, out of the vision, will be something that's very functional. So let's go upstairs. All right. So we're going up the stairs. As you notice, the first floor, it's all wood floor. Soon as we get to upstairs, you'll find carpeted. First thing when you come up, you'll find a loft area. And as you can see, loft is big enough where you could have a sectional couch there, which means you have a good space where your family could gather and enjoy their leisure time. And next, we're gonna visit the owner's suite. Pretty good space, lots of windows, so that you could have a view of your beautiful backyard where there's a lot of trees and nature. And then you have a lovely owner's bathroom, which is pretty big. So you notice there's two different vanities separately. And then next to this one, you'll actually have like a makeup station, which is really convenient, right? For women, little details like that really matters. And then you have another vanity on the other side and a walk-in shower. Now I think you have an option here to put in a bathtub, or you could utilize as some other space. But these days, I really believe that people do not care too much about bathtubs. It's more like shower area. The larger shower area is much more in demand. Very good side closet, French door to your owner's suite, owner's bathroom. And then if you notice that there's certain particular treatment as far as molding, but it's not one of those traditional, it's more, I would say, contemporary trimmings. So keep that in mind. A laundry. And this particular home has 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath. And so we'll take you a tour to secondary bedrooms. I hope you take a look and enjoy what you see. So I hope you enjoyed our tour here and you really love what you saw. This is going really fast. So if you're interested, please give me a call. Don't hesitate because this is a very sought after neighborhood. So you will find my information on the screen, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye.